is up, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to another video with Deja. In today's video, I'm going to be redoing my phone. We're currently on the winter still. It's time to get rid of it. I'm actually over it. I'm so excited for my next theme, which honestly, it got inspired because I was on Pinterest and I saw something that was Naruto related and I was like, wait a minute. It was this picture. I just made it my background, but I had it there to see what it looked like. And how far is this picture of Naruto? Like, what? Are you kidding me? So then I was like, we might do a Naruto theme. It's only right. And look how the background looks like that. I just love the colors on it. So we're gonna keep the background. I'm just gonna be changing the widgets and moving everything around. Let me just start screen recording because what I found on Pinterest is crazy. Okay, so we're gonna start right now at the Naruto theme. This is for editing Deja. So I'm gonna show you guys the pins that I found. It's 28 of them. I'm obsessed with every last one of them. I already saved some of them. Of course I didn't save all of them because I have no room for 28 pins, but like, look at Naruto right here. So look at these pictures that I have. Like, they're just so cool. I got some quotes because you know I love quotes. I doubt I used this one. This one's way too big, but I still thought it was cool, so I wanted to show you guys. Look at, guys, I'm obsessed with Gaara. Gaara, Kakashi are my favorite, like, on Naruto. I love them. I was about to spoil it because I don't know, everybody might not have watched it, but if you watch this video, if you're watching this video, you should have watched Naruto. So if you haven't watched it, I'm about to spoil something, so fast forward past this. I cried when Kakashi died, when when Jiraiya died, when Gaara, I was just crying, man. I just love this show. I mean, I'm finished now. I'm watching Boruto. Everybody hating on Boruto because every time I tell somebody I'm watching, they're like, why are you watching Boruto? I actually really like it. But anyway, we have Obito right here. I really don't know why I picked this one because it's kind of sad. I probably won't use it because I need my stuff to be uplifting because the mind is very powerful. And we have Itachi. We have young Naruto, baby Gaara. This 5 picture of Naruto, which I probably won't use. Baby Gaara, Itachi, Iruka Sensei. I might have said the name wrong. I'm terrible with names, guys, but I try. We have goodness gracious, Shikamaru. Like, I know his name. We have, I really can't say his man's name. Oh, I just have a nickname for him, and my nickname is Mochi Ron. That's just what I call him, but his name is too hard for me to pronounce. We got Minato, Jiraiya. I love this one. I'm gonna have to incorporate this somewhere because I think that's just so fire. Look at this. It's gonna be so cute as a widget. Then I'm not gonna use this, but Jiraiya. And this is Naruto in Sage Mode, Sasuke, Kakashi. I should have some pictures of him by himself. I need to look at that. We got young Naruto and Iruka. We got Obito and Kakashi. Gaara. That is a nice picture of Gaara. You see how he, yeah. That's a double one. This one is just so cute to me. I doubt I have any room for it. And we got Kakashi back there reading his makeout paradise. Another picture, and then another picture of the group. If I can find some pictures of Kakashi Hatsuki. Look at my man. Download image, and let's go ahead and pin it. Oh, this is a really good one because his hair is fire right there. I like this one. This could be a side widget, so we're gonna do that one, and I'm gonna actually download this one as well. So that's basically how I found my pictures, guys. I just typed in whichever character I wanted to see. Ooh, this is a good one. And then I just downloaded it. Well, I saved it to my pen. I saved it to my board, and now I'm downloading them because I'm about to use them now. It's so funny. I don't know if you guys watching Boruto, but the way Kakashi acting Boruto is so funny to me. It's like a totally, dang, this is a fire picture. Okay. I like this picture too. I'm trying to have certain pictures, guys, because like when you're using widgets, I don't want stuff cut off. This one's fine too. I think we're gonna stop there. I'm gonna go ahead and make my widgets as well because I'm not trying to be here long. I'm ready to play Fortnite with my cousins. So gotta eat dinner, take a shower, and I never use the large widgets. So now let's go ahead and go into our photos. All right, I know I want Jiraiya. Look at that, it fits perfectly. That looks so good. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna have to turn them because I can't do it here. Okay, we gotta go inside my photos. Okay, let's turn all the ones we want to turn. Like, wow. All right, choose from photos. Okay, let's try this one. See, that looks nice. Let's save that. Photo. I want this one. Perfect. Yeah, that go crazy. Go up a little. Like, you know it's Kakashi, you see the mask. Okay, let's see from photos. Let's see how this one looks. This one cool. I think I'm gonna skip on this one though. Let's see, let's see. I think that's, wait, this one. Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. I don't like the quotes, never mind. I don't like that. So I think this might be what we work with. Let's place these down first and see how we do. Medium, of course, is going here. We have 4 of those. Let's see which one we can do. Nice. I want Kakashi on the first page. Kakashi deserves to be #1. So let's see. Yeah, oh my gosh, that is so sick. That is so sick. Oh no. Who should we add with Kakashi, guys? I don't think I want Gar there. Let me go to Widget Smith. It'll be easier to see it like this. Let's try 5. Edit widget 5. Yeah, I think I like that. And then here we'll do Minato, which I believe was like 3. I'm on it. Yeah, we'll do Naruto, which I was 4. Yeah. And then maybe Jiraiya. Let me look at these. Maybe Gaara. I think I like this #2. I think I'm gonna have to do Jiraiya here because I want to keep it different. Dang, which one was that #1? Nice. I think I like that. I'm gonna have to move these around. I kind of like the widgets like this. Would that be bad if I just kept everything the exact same? So we're removing the widgets. Boop. Dang, that one. I might have to switch that one. That one kind of nice. I'm probably gonna make a whole nother page, guys. Naruto look like he don't give a crap what Itachi talking about. I don't even have. I like this page. This page is nice. No, I don't want that one. So it must be 3. A picture of Sasuke here would actually be kind of dope. I like the way that looks so far. I just feel like this widget shouldn't really be here. Because this page is fire. I like this one. Let's put Sleepy Naruto on this page because it kind of makes sense with my games being there. I kind of like this. I don't have Sasuke, so let's do Sasuke. I was trying to look for him one earlier. But he'd be so depressed. Okay, let's do this one. Hopefully we can make a small widget out of this one. That was actually a nice picture of him. I actually really like Sasuke and Boruto. I mean, I liked him towards the end of Naruto, but I hate the way Naruto ended. I feel like they just kind of rushed it, and I get it. But I just feel like I didn't really get to enjoy them about to enter this new, oh yeah, this was nice. About to enter this new phase of their life, which is Boruto, and it just ended so abruptly. It's like, oh yeah, we're good now. Sorry if you haven't watched it. Oh, it's about to overheat, so let me do this last thing, then we'll stop. Oh yeah, I actually kind of like that. Yeah, this looks nice. Now I just need to fix this page. Okay guys, I am actually done and it did not take long at all. I am going to continue. I'm going to start a new screen share because it'll be easier when editing. So let's do that now, and it just started now. Okay, so I'm about to turn my camera around. So this is the very first page. I like it. It's very simple. Everybody pretty serious on this page. Then we have this page, Minato, Gaara, and Jiraiya. Then I have Mochi Ranran. And then we have Naruto, and then we have Itachi. Iruka and Naruto again. And then this is the last page. It's just kind of just fun, chill. I just needed my calendar and my to-do list to be on a page, so it's going to be here. I would like this to be in the front, and if I found better pictures I would change it, but everything I like right now. I mean, having Gar right here is kind of weird, but it's not bad. I like that the red in Sakura and Gar hair brings in the red in the calendar. Red is also in Naruto's shirt in the background. But yeah, this is it, and I love it. I'm happy to be out of that winter thing because it was really bothering me. I'm like, here is my background, guys. This is what it looks like, so you can see. I love it so much. It was between that one and this one, but like, look at it. You couldn't choose. This clearly wins. But yeah, let me save this. But yeah, that is my new Naruto theme wallpaper. It was pretty simple, pretty easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see me do another anime, let me know. I honestly haven't watched many more. I'm on Boruto now. I'm currently watching Demon Slayer. We'll figure it out, guys. But I just love doing these phone videos because I'm going to update my phone anyway, so I might as well record them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.